Caramelized hazelnuts. Ingredients: 110 grams unsalted hazelnuts, 55 grams, or 1/4 cup, unsalted butter, 100 grams, or 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons, packed, light brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon table salt. Directions: preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius/325 degrees Fahrenheit, standard oven setting. Place about 90 grams of the hazelnuts in a plastic sandwich bag and gently smash them with a rolling pin into smaller pieces the size of oat flakes. Add the reserve whole hazelnuts. In a small saucepan, combine the butter with the sugar and salt. Heat over low heat, stirring occasionally, until the butter has melted. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat and cook for 1 minute, stirring occasionally. Take the pan off the heat, stir in the hazelnuts. Spread the hazelnuts onto a cookie sheet lined with baking parchment and bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give the nuts a good stir with a fork. The caramel will have melted around the nuts, but that's fine. Just stir it all up to form clusters and leave the nuts to bake for 5 more minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and stir the nuts again with the fork. Try to spread the mixture as evenly as possible, to form bite-sized hazelnut clusters. Allow to cool completely. Can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week.